Stuck finding your public DNS on Namecheap? I'll show you exactly where it is in under 2 minutes. Trust me, I've been there. You're digging through your dashboard, clicking around, and it feels like the settings are hiding from you. But once you know the path, it's actually really straightforward. So here's what we're going to do. We'll start at the Namecheap homepage, walk step by step to the public DNS page, and then see exactly how to set it up. No confusion, no fluff. All right, let's start at the very beginning. Head over to Namecheap.com. That's your starting point. You don't need to log into your account for this part, so don't worry if you're not signed in. Just get to the home page. Now, look at the top navigation bar. You'll see a few different sections. What we're looking for is the one labeled Security. Go ahead and hover over that, or click it. A drop-down menu will appear. About halfway down, you'll see an option called Public DNS. Click on that. This is the page where Namecheap explains what their free public DNS service does and how it works. And the best part? It's completely free. Scroll down the page a little bit. You'll see a section with the headline, Connect to any website, anywhere in total privacy. That's the main pitch for their public DNS service. And right below that, there's a button that says Set Up Now. Go ahead and click that. This will take you to a more detailed walkthrough. All right, now we need to scroll down a bit further on this new page until you see a heading that says Setting Up is Simple. Click on that section to expand it. This is where the setup instructions live. Namecheap breaks it down by device, which is really helpful. For this example, we're going to set it up on Wi-Fi, so click on the Wi-Fi option. Now, this is where the instructions get really specific. You're going to see a visual guide. It tells you to click on the Wi-Fi icon on your device to see the network you're connected to. Then click on the little eye icon, the information button, next to that network. This opens up your network settings for that specific connection. And here's the really important part. In this settings menu, you'll see a field for DNS. You're going to tap on that and enter the public DNS server addresses that Namecheap provides. They'll list them right there on the page. Just type them in exactly as they appear. Once you've done that, tap the Save button in the top right corner and exit the menu. Your device will now use Namecheap's public DNS for that network. And that's it. You've successfully located your public DNS settings on Namecheap and configured them on your device. The whole process is a lot simpler once you know where to click. If you ever need to do this again on a different device, just come back to this page and follow the same steps. Thanks for watching, and good luck getting everything connected.